In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim video in Canva. If you've ever recorded a presentation, a social media clip, or a short promo and realized there's an awkward pause at the beginning or extra footage hanging on at the end, Canva makes it surprisingly easy to clean that up. You don't need advanced editing software to make quick, precise changes. Canva gives you a simple visual timeline so you can shorten your video and keep the final result looking polished. To get started, open Canva and go to the project that contains the video you want to edit. From your homepage, find your recent designs and open the correct video project so it loads into the main editor. Once it's open, you'll be looking at your workspace with the canvas in the center and your timeline below. Next, select the video clip you want to trim. You can click directly on the video in the canvas or click the clip down in the timeline at the bottom. Once it's selected, Canva will highlight it and show the controls you need to adjust the clip's length. This is important because trimming options only appear when the correct video is active. After that, move your attention to the toolbar near the top of the editor. Look for the scissors icon next to the clip's duration. Clicking that opens Canva's trimming view, where you can adjust exactly which part of the video you want to keep. This is the main tool you'll use for trimming, and it gives you a much clearer view of your clip timing. Now you're ready to make the actual cut. In the trimming bar, you'll see handles on both sides. To trim the beginning of the video, click and drag the left handle toward the right. To trim the end, click and drag the right handle toward the left. As you do this, watch the preview in the canvas so you can line things up carefully. Take your time here because even a small adjustment can make the pacing feel much smoother. Once your trim looks good, preview the video. Press the space bar or click the play button and watch it from start to finish. This helps you confirm that the beginning starts where you want and the ending feels clean. If everything looks right, click Done to apply the changes and lock in your trim. Before exporting, give your timeline one final look to make sure the cut feels natural. Then go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download, and choose MP4 video as your file type. Set the resolution as high as you need, then click Download to save the finished version to your device. That's it. You've successfully trimmed a video in Canva, and now your clip is cleaner, tighter, and ready to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the